It is a beautiful day. We are on our way into the low 80s, which is shocking. We had a massive windstorm blow through. That's why it's a lot cooler right now. So I thought I would check on my plants and look what happened. The wind blew over the pads. That one survived because it's on a thicker trunk here. But this did not do so well. All you have to do is turn the container and let the sun do its thing, and basically the sun will stretch this thing back this direction, or you can speed up the process. And I'm very lucky I have this on wheels. And you move it against a wall like this. And what I'm gonna do is grab a stick, because I don't want to touch these, and you lean it against something like this for a couple of days. Oops. Let me go back over here. There. And it will stand up again. This happens to me all the time. But that should be good, like I said, in a few days. There we go. Now let me show you the rest of my planter box while I'm out here. This aloe is doing okay. It's flopping around. This thing was right here and it fell over, so it is time for me to cut it into pieces and put it into this planter box. Well, not a box, but this container. It does so well in here, I'm so shocked. And this piece also fell over in the wind, so it's time for me to chop it right here as well. And let me give you a look. The Sticks on Fire is very green. Oh, and I put a water globe in here, and it actually works. It's been slowly watering this little area, and this section of the planter box gets hit with sun, and things tend to die here, so I'm hoping this will help spruce up this area. And you know what? While I'm here, I have these ready to go. So I have a little bit of fertilizer that I put in here, and I water this area 1 to 2 times a week. Definitely only once in the winter time, but because it's been very hot, I do it on Sundays if I remember, and on Wednesday or Thursday. You can see where the soil has blown away and it sinks down. And I like to use this because the opening is small enough where the water doesn't go all over the place. Oh, this is the latest thing I put in here, this mangave. And check this out, the wind blew this thing over again. I really need to come out here when I have more time and lop it off. Maybe I'll do that later today. You can see that leaf is turning brown, yellowy brown. I mean, it's getting a lot of sun. And I have other things I need to water as well, but I will take care of that later.